welcome to crazytechtricks.com. Well, these days people are really insecure with their privacy, which is being shown on the internet, and one of the software which really reveals about all your personal details to any anonymous person also is a Truecaller. The Truecaller provides you the number from which you are just getting a call. It also tells you about the personal information of that person, from where that person is specifically calling you. It provides you the name, details, and email IDs. So it is quite hectic, I would say, to keep your number private from the person. But really, it's really hard, but it's really not that much impossible to remove your number from Truecaller list. So I would be just guiding you how easily you can just remove your number from Truecaller list. So I would be just telling you, first of all, what you need to do. You need to deactivate your number from Truecaller list. So to deactivate your number, here is the simple step, I would say, which I've been just posted a picture on this my website. You could visit crazytechtricks.com, and to deactivate your Truecaller, first of all, you need to do you need to open the Truecaller on your mobile phone, on a smartphone whatsoever. It could be an Android or iPhone, it doesn't really matter. So here you need to just tap on here on the left side, as you could see here, on this icon. From here you will be just redirected to some of the options like go to professional, share application, invite friends, and below it is settings. So now just tap on this settings option. Now as you could see, more and more options will be available for you. So now all you need to do is just tap on here on this about section. Now after about section, you will be getting a really a plenty of options. So scroll down a little bit to get the option deactivate account. Now after just tapping on this deactivate account, it will be a pop-up will appear for you, and it would be asking you to confirm it again by just tapping on yes or no. So just tap on yes to confirm your number. So now after doing all these kinds of things, there is a link, truecaller.com unlist. This is a link which you need to visit here. So what you need to do after visiting here, you need to just enter the mobile number. It could be any number, but don't forget to write the country code also. Okay, so after that you could just write any number. I'm just going with 98721. Okay, so reason, it would be also asking you about the reason that why you just really want to opt out from this Truecaller. So you could just select any number, or you could also write something in your reason other also. I'm just writing here, I don't want, simple. So now verification, I'm not a robot. This is a new platform which has been introduced by Google to identify humans. So it is saying select all the foods. Yeah. So now all you need to do is tap on here on this unlist option, but currently it won't be taking any some sort of a thing, because the Truecaller hasn't been registered with this number, because this is a really a no number. It is 987654321. So now what you need to do, first of all, just deactivate your account, then just tap on here unlist, and after unlisting your number, it could take about 24 hours, I would say minimum 24 hours it would be taking to unlist your number from this Truecaller directory. Well, this is the best and easy method to secure your privacy and to unlist your number from Truecaller permanently. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I would be very thankful if you could just gonna tap on this like button and do subscribe my channel for lots and lots of more tricks. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.